If you're encountering a payment method declined error in your Apple ID settings, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment information. Ensure that all your payment details are entered correctly. Go to Settings, tap on your name, select Payment and Shipping, and verify that your credit card number, expiration date, and billing address are accurate. Step 2. Update your payment method. If your payment method is outdated or expired, update it. In the Payment and Shipping section, select your payment method and choose Edit to enter new information or add a new card. Step 3. Check your Apple ID balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact your bank. If your payment information is correct and you still face issues, contact your bank or card issuer. They may have blocked the transaction for security reasons or need to verify your identity. Step 5. Restart your device. After making changes, restart your device. This can help refresh your settings and resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing the payment method to be declined. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment method issue in your Apple ID settings. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.